welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have NEFFEX back here on the channel. Good day, wake up. So what a great recipe NEFFEX have here for a day. You wake up, you eat, you meditate, and you just do your thing. That's a great thing to follow, and great song to that. So that's great mix there. Let's start with this actual song here, Capo on fifth. And we will not go over chords like we usually do. We'll go over some grips, and I will call these grips like D, C, B, and G. So it's actually not plain D's and C's and like that. It's just grip based upon similar things there. So yeah, D, C, B, and G. So we have this first melody. It goes like this. So it's based upon these four chords. So the first grip is actually like a D chord. So that is open D together with second G together with third B and second E. So like this. And then you add this note third fret on E string. Right? So that's the first D part. We go over here to the C part, and that will be like this. So that is all these four notes together, third fret A, together with open G, third B, and second E. So, and then you add this third fret E string again. And that's the C part. Now next B. It will be all four notes together. That will be second on A, open G, third B, and second E. All these four together. And then you add again the third fret E. So the difference here between the C and the B was just that the bass note goes from the C, third fret A, to B, second fret A. Otherwise it's just the same, but you need to recuperate your fingers like this, all right? From C to B. All right, and then we have the final part left, the G part, and that is, so that is third fret on E, together with open G, third B, and second E. All these four notes, pluck them together like that, and you end this time with the open E. Okay, so that is the first melody. I'm gonna play that slow for you, so it sounds like this. That is melody 1. Then we have the melody 2. Now we will work with downs only, and it will be based upon, of course, the same chords or grips or whatever you want to call it. So this first grip is open D, second G, and third B. Alright, so when you do the downstrokes now, try to stay around these strings, and I understand it's not the easiest way here because they lie in between of other strings. So try to have small downstrokes when you work now with this, with the downstrokes. So like this, okay. And this here, if you can, try to emphasize the third fret on the B string. This one. We'll play 4 downs. And I will suggest that you play this grip with the middle finger here on the second fret G and your ring finger on the third fret B, since the next grip will be this. So you just take lift off this ring finger and place your index on the first fret B string. So 4 downs on this grip, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 downs on this grip, and that is again open D, second G, and now first B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to emphasize the first fret B string on this grip, and then you're gonna play 8 down with this grip, and that is third on A string together with second D, open G, and open B. So again, downstrokes in this middle strings here. So 8 downs on that one. All right. So far we're half in, and we have played this grip 4 downs, and this grip 4 downs, and this grip 8 downs. Alright, so we've covered the D and the C so far. Now we'll go to the B, and we'll play the second fret A string, then open D or muted D, it's up to you. If you mute it, you just lean the finger, the flesh from this finger you're using on the second fret A on top of the D string to get that sound, or you can play it open. So second fret A string, open or muted D string, then open G, and third fret B. That grip you will play for 4 downs, and I suggest that you do that with the middle finger on the second fret A and ring or little pinky on the third fret B, since the next grip will be again here on this first fret B string, and the rest is the same. So 4 downs on this grip, and then you switch grip to this same grip. You just switch on the bass string, on the B string. So that will be second A again, open or muted D, open G, and first B. You play 4 downs on that as well. And then you have just the final G part left. You will play downstrokes on this grip. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, and open B. And this grip you will play 8 downs. And that will cover the second melody. So I think we need to repeat this one to get the idea of how it sounds fully. So let's go over the grips. First one was this: open D, second G, third B, 4 downs. Then you play open D, second G, first B, 4 downs. And then third A, second D, open G, open B, 8 downs. And then comes the second A, open or muted D, open G, third B, 4 downs. And then comes this grip, second A, open or muted D, open G, and first B, 4 downs. And the final grip, third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, 8 downs. So in a context here, I will play this second melody for you. So let's go. The second melody. Now we have a final thing to go over here. We will look at the strumming pattern, and that will work for melody number 1. So this melody. All right. So we'll look at the strumming pattern. So you will of course have the same grips as you play for melody 1, and one strumming pattern with the first grip will sound like this. And that will be one round, and then you shift to the next grip and do the second round like that. So one strumming round per chord. Now, how do we do it? Grab the first grip here, or the chord, it's actually a D. So you will play down, down, up, clap. You can start there. So down, down, up, clap. And then you play, after this clap, down, up, down, up, down, up. So 3 down ups. So down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so if you connect this so far, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so. And then we have just a final thing left here, and that is you have to add the note here. In this case, the 3rd fret E string, which we had in this melody number 1. So you just add this little pinky here, 3rd fret E string, and you play down, down, up. And that is the pattern. So to connect everything here, down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then you add a note and play down, down, up. So slowly. This pattern follows with the rest of the chords or grips, so you just switch there to the C grip and play the same down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, up, down, up, and add a note down, down, up. And then comes the next grip, the B. And then the G. The note here was the open E, so you just release it like this. So if we put everything together, it will be like this one chord version. Different ways of handling the songs. The song NEFFEX Good Day Wake Up. So you can choose to play the melody 1 or melody 2, or do the mix here with the strumming for melody 1, and that is what is going on this song here. So I hope this was helpful, guys. I love NEFFEX, cool songs, and you have many possibilities to play around with it, so do your own thing there. And good luck. Hope to see you soon, guys. And don't forget, like always, play tuned.